What's up, people? It's Charlie. I'm back and I'm better. Like I said, I'm away at school. So, ooh, this isn't focused. I'm in Denton, Texas right now. Money. This is my cutie booty. This is my girlfriend, y'all. What are you recording me for? This is my girlfriend, y'all. This is Money. Oh my God, girl, please don't drop them flowers. Oh, Money's gonna help me vlog today, right? Definitely, thanks. Oh, Money, did I give you my clear lip gloss?
That's the one in the blue tube?
Huh? No, the regular one, like my clear one. I don't know what I did with it. Come on, girl. We're going to Angela's house. I don't know if y'all know who Angela is, but Angela's our friend. Oh, I need to get my edges, girl. Can't even see them. I hate being in my bathroom, like all the time. Like I literally hate my bathroom because the fan is always on. I want you off my mind. Ooh, the hair mixing in with my foundation. Lord Jesus. And only. Oh, that's really annoying. That I can't even do my edges with my foundation. Ugh, this looks gross. Oh well, I'll fix it when I get to Angela's house. But y'all already know what coat I'm gonna put on. I don't know if I want to wear. Let me ask Money. Money! Should I wear my trench coat or should I wear my other one? My furry one. Okay. I have so much, like my closet is the fool and I don't even want to show nobody because it's embarrassing.
Come and put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it. Your name that you wanna put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it.
This is my boss bid jacket. My boss jackets. I have to literally drag Money out or we're not gonna be leaving right now. I literally have to say, Money, let's go right now. Or she probably sitting in the same spot I left her in. What'd I tell y'all? Oh, she ready. She got her clothes on. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's do Money's outfit of the day, y'all. She got her sweatshirt from
Boomerang.
Right. Hold on, it's not focused. Okay, yeah. Sweatshirt from
Boomerang.
Pants from
Pink Sun.
and then shoes from Vans. You ain't know. Okay, do mine.
Okay.
Okay, y'all. So here we go.
No, wait. Switch background for me. Yeah, that's cuter.
Okay, we got jacket from Forever 21.
Yes.
Shirt from Forever 21.
Yes.
Jeans from Q and shoes from Adidas.
Look at these.
I love my jeans. These were in my girl. You know I just ripped these right here.
Right here?
Yeah, it's
It's
not
so
supposed to be
cute.
like that. I was so mad. But yeah.
Yeah,
Angie, we on the way to you, girl. Right now.
Okay.
Y'all, okay, look.
Get some lotion.
Let me tell y'all. Last year, y'all, Money, I didn't have my car, and Money had her car. Right? And Money drove us everywhere. And now I got my car. And I would have booked a drop. I was like, Money, when I get my car, I'm driving everywhere. Girl, I'd be like, who driving? Money be like, you.
You want a kitty?
What I'm gonna do? Say no. Yeah, I'm gonna save it for later though. My auntie sent me some money this morning. Woo woo.
Shout out to the aunts. Okay, sorry.
Money. Oh, you do. Okay, y'all. My first vlog was when me and Money had just got cool. It was in like October.
Cold.
Brick.
Oh, do you have
That's
lotion in your car?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I had lotion in my bag. Okay. And now we're roommates. And I didn't even post not one vlog last semester. Last semester was so shitty. Right, Money getting her car fixed, y'all.
Thursday. Not a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But on Thursday, not a Monday. But on Thursday, make sure you are thirsty. Hey, hey,
Oh,
Thursday,
baby. When
Here, take this.
we got this whole car ride.
No.
Okay.
Girl, don't do that. So lazy. I can't stand you.
I don't know how it is.
Yeah, we finally made it. After 3 hours. Whew. Alright, I'll be back. Hold on.
Yeah, attitude problem.
Yeah, Angie mad at us.
First of all, this is the first time that y'all have ever seen me with a fucking attitude.
So you need to lose it. We're not
don't
used to
say
this.
an attitude problem. Because I don't have an attitude problem.
No, you definitely do.
I really don't.
Yes, she do. Y'all, Angie do nails. So she hooking your girl up. Right.
Yep.
Shout yourself out, girl.
Girl, triple threat nails.
On IG.
On IG.
What's up, IG?
It's twin them.
Ah, good mother loving vibes on it.
Piper, leave her alone.
Hi, Piper. Piper's okay. We're besties, right, Piper? Yeah.
You just want to be besties with her because I'm besties with Zena.
No, I like dogs. Why? She look like you whooped her. What you do? What she do?
I ain't did nothing to her.
Piper, your mama be whooping you? Okay, so like I said, we're at Angela Smangela. We at Angela Bassett's house, getting our nails done. Ooh, man. Look at my girl. Look at my babies. I love them, y'all. These are my favorite people. And let me tell y'all something. I'm tired of my friends disrespecting me. I was saying, I be having to repeat myself because I be losing my train of thought. My friends don't respect me. They think I'm a joke. Everything I say, I be serious and they laugh at me. And I don't get it. And I just wish people would take me serious. Like it's been like this my whole life. People take me as a joke. People think I'm just, you know, I don't know what they think.
You're so freaking dramatic.
I don't know what people think this is or what people think the type of person that I am. I don't get it. Like, I just feel like I just deserve respect just like everybody else. Like, people be forgetting I'm human. Like, I know I'm beautiful, but I am human. You know? And I just don't understand why I get treated this way by people who are supposed to be my friends. I showed them a picture of this tattoo. They literally laughed at me. Who does that? I just cannot. That's why Money Lash about to fall off because she keep yawning because her eyes be watering when she yawn. But if it do fall off, I'm gonna go find her some lash glue and glue it back on for her. Cause that's just how I am.
She was gonna do that anyway.
I was gonna do that anyway. And she cold with it, y'all. I need my jacket cause it's cold in here.
Oh my god.
Charlie is so funny. She's so full of it. She's really annoying.
Do y'all hear how they talking about me like I'm not right here? The disrespect. I cannot.
Double D's.
What?
Okay.
She's working at the pyramid tonight.
I'm over here crying.
Gia, what's wrong?
You still shitting?
It hurts so bad.
To shit?
Bro, I be doing it when I'm using the bathroom. Tears be coming.
Yeah, rub your lower back. Like, hold on. How do you explain this? Sit up. Do this to your lower. You constipated? You can't boo boo?
I can't see your hand. It's like it's
Can you boo boo? What's
She's
bothering
working
you?
at
Can you boo boo?
Huh?
Can you boo boo or yes or no?
Just like 30 minutes, bro.
So can you boo boo?
Let me
That's
see
what
him.
I'm asking.
Wait.
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
So y'all. Come on.
Like it's coming out too slow?
For real.
Huh?
Is it coming out
She
too slow?
videotaping
What you
this
say?
and you.
Is it coming out too slow?
Angie, I'm gonna... Give me paw. Give me paw. Yeah. Give me some more paw. Yeah, girl. Give me paw. Woo. Go, best friend. Give me paw.
This call coming over tonight. And I was like, no. She was like, oh yeah, so you going over there? And I was like, no, but I'm at home.
Oh wait, she know where you.
It's my turn, hoes.
Let me show y'all the magic.
Talk to him, man.
You know what? Charlie got me over here on this camera. And she know I
open
don't
the
know
thing.
what I know. Oh, look at. Oh. I mean, really. Tell me if your girlfriend walking around like this. Because she probably ain't if she ain't go to triple threat. Look at them. Charlie with the ombre.
With the clear
Tits.
Moncler.
Yes, honey. And just getting us right.
How you learning? Oh.
It's me, you know what I'm saying? Just sitting here on my phone, trying to figure out what pictures I'm gonna put on Twitter. That's it. Nothing too fancy.
I might be look a little. Hold on. There we go.
Yeah.
It look big now?
It's sitting, girlfriend.
Sitting.
It looked like you putting a ring on my finger. If I just
Why would you say
Photoshop everything else out.
So you gonna say that in front of your girl? You see?
That's just because I don't keep anything from you. You should be happy.
I should be happy that
These
you
other hoes out
acting
here
like
lying
a
to you and
ring on
being
your
and
finger.
being
The fact that y'all really think
and
each
being
other are
deceitful.
faithful is what's
And listen here, you
That's
stay in
like,
your place.
y'all both be cheating.
She needs to stay in her place, ain't that right?
You say you'll never be her wifey.
As if you ever had the option.
The way them titties sag make them gone bad, bitch.
Promise you ain't.
Everybody know you bopping. The whole hood know you fair play.
Keep on putting them
Get her,
nails in me.
girlfriend.
You throw your way.
Keep putting them nails in me.
Let me make it clear. I know what you making it
Year.
clear. You riding Ubers. I ride in the Lear. You riding Ubers. I ride in the Lear.
We're not
We're
cut
not
from
cut
the
from the
same,
same clothing, my
my
dear.
dear.
Talking that shit.
Are you really
That's how
singing
I
our
ride.
song to me?
I will pull up and find you.
Everything got my name on it. Ring finger got her ring on it. Don't nothing move.
So I say so.
You might give me
My side.
You probably want to be.
Go in.
Ever been tried, sis. Imani don't even know you. No contact, no photos.
Who is
Never
this girl?
seen her in the daylight. Do you
I mean,
know
I know
what
she do
Imani
nails,
look
but-
like? I mean, wow. Thought you were winning to
Anything
that.
other than
Tell
that?
me, Angie, my child.
Who
You
is
living
she?
Loud. You living to polish up, babe. Polish up, babe. Polish up,
I'ma
babe.
need you
Polish
to-
up, babe. Polish up, babe. Polish up, babe. That baby shut. I don't know that.
Oh.
And Imani about to get hers too. Just as soon as
She
I'm
can't
done
check
with
me.
you,
I does
what
the
hell
checking.
knows to everybody, but I'm who that motherfucker belongs to. So
Woo, this is heavy. Hold on, my thumb's giving out.
Okay, y'all, hold on.
Girl.
What? I'm vlogging.
Why you hang up on me?
So my nails done. I'm just going to underscore triple that nails. Triple threat nails on Instagram.
You bet the crack.
If you didn't. This a big body Benz. Please don't crash. But yeah, she did such a good job, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all.
I was so mad after the cover over my head.
Look good my friend did. Oh, what happened? There we go. She did so good, y'all. I'm so proud. Look how it's clear at the top.
Famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.